doctor, teacher, engineer, police officer, firefighter, nurse, chef, pilot, lawyer, artist, scientist, actor, dentist, veterinarian, electrician, mechanic, pharmacist, journalist, carpenter, gardener, cashier, librarian, waiter/waitress, police detective, plumber, banker, farmer, pilot,